Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be working on this Toyota Corolla 2002 model. This particular model is 1.8 vvti petrol engine, and the problem we have here is that the car is suffering from poor idling as well as poor engine oil consumption. So the suspect here is the PCV valve. So the PCV stands for positive crank ventilation valve. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to replace that today. Right, here we have the replacement part here, and the part number is 12204222051. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the engine cover, 210mm nuts securing it. Right, so the PCV valve location on this 1.8 vvti engine is at the back here, so it's always on the crank casing. So just gonna press this clip and pull it this way. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this pipe off like this. So we're gonna use a 19mm socket to undo the old PCV valve. There we go, so that's the old PCV valve out of the way. You can see how bad the condition is. Just gonna leave it here. So here comes the new valve. We got this from our local auto part shop for a very reasonable price. It's a like for like part. As I mentioned before that once we change this, the oil consumption gonna improve drastically, as well as the rough idling will get sorted. So just gonna show you the condition of the old one and the new one. So just gonna hand tighten it to start off with, and then I'm gonna use a ratchet. There we go. That's perfect. Right, so next what we're going to do is we're going to bring in this pipe, the vacuum pipe. Just going to push it all the way in, and then the clamp goes here in this manner. Right, so just going to put the cover back on. Two nuts. Right, there we go friends, job done. That's the new PCV valve, nicely been fitted on this Toyota Corolla 1.8 vvti 2002. As I mentioned, it's going to make a huge difference when it comes to running of the engine and the performance. Thank you very much for watching the video.